how the rich are investing around the world, and how you can too. From the US to India, from Dubai to Singapore, the rich are playing a different investing game. Want to learn their secrets? In this video, we explore how the rich are investing around the world, including the different investment vehicles they are using. Make sure you stick to the end for tips on how to get started so that you, too, can build generational wealth. When it comes to making money, the rich think differently from the average person. For one, they have a long-term mindset, thinking in terms of decades instead of days or weeks. They also focus on owning assets instead of relying solely on earned income. In other words, ownership over labor. More importantly, the rich don't fear risk. Rather, they calculate the risk and protect themselves by diversifying and structuring deals smartly. With that mindset, the rich invest differently. Let's see how it varies by region. United States. A majority of the rich in the US hold a significant part of their wealth in Roth IRA and 401k. The Roth IRA and 401k are probably two of the most powerful tools for building long-term, tax-advantaged wealth, especially if you use them the way the wealthy do. Where eligible, the rich max out both their 401k and Roth IRA to benefit from the tax advantages of both. However, a Roth IRA, while great, comes with an upper income limitation, which locks out high-income earners. In this case, the rich employ a workaround. They contribute to a traditional IRA and then convert that to a Roth IRA to enjoy tax-free gains. Apart from these two retirement investment options, index funds are also pretty popular among the wealthy, more specifically, the S&P 500 index. The S&P 500 is a benchmark for the overall US stock market and includes 500 top corporations across 11 sectors, including tech, healthcare, consumer goods, just to name a few. Some examples of well-known companies in the S&P 500 include Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, and Amazon. Not only does the S&P 500 provide instant diversification, it also has a proven record of consistent long-term returns. This is why Warren Buffett, arguably the greatest investor in history, recommends it for long-term wealth building. India. In India, SIP, which stands for Systematic Investment Plan, is one of the most popular ways that the rich invest. Basically, SIP is a style of investing where you channel a fixed amount of money regularly into a mutual fund. This allows you to save and invest automatically, helping you build wealth over time. SIPs are not only passive, but also help take advantage of compounding power. Beyond SIPs, the Indian elite are also investing in gold and digital gold. Gold is significant in the Indian culture and is often seen as a symbol of wealth and prosperity, which is why it's such a popular investment choice. The wealthy often hold gold, not just physically in bars, jewelry, and the like, but also in the form of sovereign gold bonds, SGBs, gold ETFs, and digital gold. Then there's, of course, real estate. Many rich people in India own residential, commercial, or land investments. Real estate is a go-to asset for those with higher capital and a desire for rental income or long-term capital appreciation. UAE. Because the UAE offers zero income tax, political stability, and easy access to global markets, a lot of rich people use the country as a wealth management hub. The wealthy in the UAE, which is a mix of the Emiratis, expats, as well as international investors, heavily invest in residential and commercial real estate, which attracts no property taxes. Aside from real estate, a lot of rich UAE residents also maintain global investment portfolios via offshore accounts. These portfolios often include US, UK, and other international stocks. Singapore. Much like the UAE, Singapore has a favorable tax regime, with a zero tax policy on capital gains, political stability, and easy access to global markets. This has, of course, affected how the rich invest, with the most popular investment vehicles being REITs, with Singapore having one of the largest REIT markets in Asia, CPF, a mandatory retirement and social security investment scheme, and other government-backed investments. Most people invest through either private banking and wealth management or family offices. Singapore's super rich also invest in global equities and ETFs in the broader Asian market as well as the US. Key takeaways. What can we learn from each country? America's rich tend to lean more towards retirement plans and index funds, which include stocks from some of the biggest and most profitable corporations in the world, and provide great diversification. India's elite, on the other hand, apply an even more diverse approach, mixing mutual fund, through SIP, with gold and real estate. As for UAE and Singapore, real estate seems to be more popular, with a bit of foreign stock markets exposure, which can be attributed to tax advantages and political stability. However, one thing cuts across the board: diversification. So whatever you choose to invest in, make sure you're spreading out your risk. How to start investing like the rich in 3 steps. 1. Think like the rich. Focus on long-term wealth building as opposed to quick income. 2. Bilingual investing like the rich. Go for diversified assets like retirement plans, funds, and REITs. Tools like Grow, Zerodha, and Robinhood should help you get started. 3. Finally, protect your investment. Leverage tax-advantaged accounts, get insurance, and seek expert financial advice whenever possible. So, which country's strategy would you copy? Comment down below with your reasons. Don't forget to also subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on the next insightful video.